Hello everyone, you are watching Luke's Gaming, but I am doing Lego instead today, or tonight, and this will be a first because you can actually see me, and sorry, I bet there's going to be lag on this all the time. There always is. It drives me mad. I think it's my PSP, but I don't know. Anyway, so here we go. I'm using my BB gun and doing target practice on these Halo and Alien figurines. Got 2 Spartans and an Alien. Hee. Anyway, here we go. For one, I'm gonna do this guy. Oh my god, that went far. Ouch, he is certainly dead. Anyway, so that's one down. Next, just reload it. I only put one bullet in at a time, even because it ends up jamming. There we go, that's another one down. Last one, this will be a bit harder to do. I'm going to aim for his jaw. I'm going to let off a couple of bullets on this guy. Oh, that must have hurt. I took his jaw off. Just get it back. Flipping it. It's nothing compared to a paintball gun, though. That's just insane, that. Paintball guns. Now what I'm going to do is, let's just think about this. Right, yeah. Put it over here first. Just reload it one more time. Now we'll probably be done. Well, should be. Hasta la vista, baby. Hasta la vista, baby. Well, that didn't do what I wanted it to do. Okay, let's leave the jaw off. Trying to get his head to come off. It didn't take it off, but it made it go flying. I'm gonna leave that bit of Lego, that bit of his head on. Well, I'm not gonna stick it back down because that works. Bye. See ya.